Moses, you're back.
Yeah, Mom, I'm back.
Moses, and who's this?
No, Mom, this is my friend David.
Nah, my name not David. David's in the Bible. My name is Big D, straight from the blood gang. You already know what it is. Shout out to all my homies from Brom. They going with the Big D, part of the freshest gang.
Oh, so these are the type of friends you have.
Mama, stop tripping. Yo, Moses, tell her about the one time we went over to the club and we smashed those girls like bang, bang with the gang before sleeping with them and shit.
Moses, so you sleep with girls and the shit.
No, Mom, what he's trying to say is that
You are finished.
Nah, Mama, I ain't finished spitting my bars. We smoke weed behind the church with the priest from down the street. We getting high with blunts, hell high till we feel like we wanna die. And when Moses pass out, we draw a mustache on his face with 5 tea bags on his chest till he feel like 5 roses.
Bruh, just shut up. Let me be finished.
Mom, you were saying?
Moses, you are finished.
Impossible.